The laundry is one room in your home where you want your doors to be functional but also stylish. The options will surprise you with the range of internal laundry doors at Doors Plus. For moisture resistance and sound dampening, the sleek aluminium solution of our Zone Living Collection doors are ideal. They provide a resilient, moisture-resistant option designed to stand up against the dampness of any laundry. With 2 panels of glass, they also help to reduce unwanted noise into the rest of the home. If your laundry is tucked away in a tight area of the house, our Bifold Louvre doors are an excellent solution to keep the space well ventilated. They make the most of limited space and are designed to suit any decor. Along with a range of other Bifold door options, you'll be spoiled for choice. You can be sure that our internal laundry doors are modern, stylish, durable, and built to last. Plus, we can fit, paint, stain, and deliver. Visit your nearest Doors Plus showroom today to discover internal laundry doors and book your free measure and quote.